Hello, Mr. Swanson. This is your sales consultant, Andrae from RPt Sales and Leasing. Thank you once again for the opportunity to earn your business on our 2010 BMW X5 3.5 Turbo Diesel. I made this video especially for you. Check it out. It's just going to go over a rundown of all the options and features that the car has. I might not have hit all of them, but if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You know my direct phone number, 407-851-8755, extension 118. Thank you once again. Enjoy the vehicle and have a wonderful Labor Day. Right now we're circling, we're looking at the body of the vehicle. As you see, the body is in immaculate condition. No scratches, dings, or damages. The vehicle comes compact with full keyless entry, so you can touch the door handle and it will open and close the door. Interior wise, the car is in really great condition. No real signs of wear or tear in the vehicle, and no cracks or scratches in the leather.